everyone, we're just going to take a look at a new little feature inside courses where you can reorganize your lessons just with drag and drop. At the moment we're sitting inside a course and you've got some modules here. So if I click on this module here below, we've got a couple of lessons here. So if we just want to quickly reorganize the sequence of our lessons, we can just click organize here. Opens up that editing option. You just click on the lesson and drag it down according to whichever sequence point you want to put it at. And our system will recognize that and ensure that the progression of those lessons are replicated over into your members side when they're following those lessons. But once you've actually confirmed you're happy with that sequence, make sure you do save the order of those lessons. The system will recognize that. And that's basically our new little feature function.